Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make braised pork ribs and Lotus Root in red bean curd sauce. Here is my dog and I wishing you a Merry Christmas. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Always boil meat from cold water for blanching. Cover and boil. Dirt from meat will come out like this. Rinse pork ribs under cold water. Then drain well and wipe dry. Peel skin off from Lotus Root. Cut off the dirty top and bottom parts like this. And cut into about 2-inch sections. You can find red bean curd from Chinese grocery stores. Smash the bean curd into a paste. Mix other ingredients in marinades. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, measure cooking wine as well, and rock sugar. Press Saute button on pressure pot and heat up oil. Pour pork ribs in. Leave them there for about 1 minute to pan fry. Then stir a bit and pan fry the other side for about 1 minute. Pan fry each side of pork ribs until they become brownish in color like this. Add ginger slices. Saute briefly. Add diced shallots and saute. Add minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Then add cooking wine. Saute. Add red bean curd paste now and saute. Add sauces and saute. Add pepper and hot water. And rock sugar. Stir and saute briefly. Add lotus roots. Stir well. Close lid of pressure pot. Pressure cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, release pressure manually and open lid. Press Saute button and stir and saute the ingredients inside the pot. Cover and cook for another 3 minutes. Mix 1 teaspoon cornstarch with 1 tablespoon water. Then pour into the pork. Cook for another minute. Scoop out the pork and Lotus roots. Let the sauce cook for another minute to thicken, then pour over the pork and Lotus roots. The ribs are super tender, and the taste of red bean curd sauce is so yummy. The yummy braised pork rib with Lotus Root in red bean curd sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!